kaisla.
Perhaps I'll let you join us with the Kaisla Kunas to look at us advertising.
Ayan. So yan mga kaisla. Isla, desert na po. Ay mga kaisla, nandito na po kami sa airport. Back to base na po kami sa Qatar mga kaisla. For a short 1 week vacation. Yan, mga yung Qatar Rescue. Mga kaisla. Tingnan nyo po mga kaisla kung gaano kadaming mga kasayang ngayon. No? Look. Dahil sa celebration nila mga kaisla na Shukran Festival. Daming kasayo. No? Tingnan nyo po. Kung gaano kadaming kasayo ng mga kaisla. So mag-chicken muna ako mga kaisla.
เกิน100 มิลลิลิตรนำติดหัวขึ้นเครื่องบินผู้โดยสารที่มีความเชื่อถือกว่าที่ถูก
Dali. Madali.
Yan mga kaisla, mag-chicken muna kami.
Hawak.
Chicken daw muna kami sa business class. Ayan. So yan mga kaisla. Chicken na po tayo. Yung isang bag. Pupo. Okay, thank you. Ayan. Dami pong pasero ngayon. Tapos na po kami sa immigration. So, it's ano na, 1:15. On the way na po kami for the boarding area mga kaisla.
Sino ba yung boarding gate? S?
S117.
Okay. Right. Left. Yeah.
So, S117 po kami mga kaisla. So, this side. Yan. So, hintay. So, yan mga kaisla. Dito na po tayo sa loob. Yan po. Bago po tayo magpatuloy, papakita ko lang po sa inyo na nasa Bangkok po, isang landmark mga kaisla na nasa airport kayo ng Bangkok. Ito po yung makikita nyo mga kaisla. Oh. Yan yung haba dito. Yan o. Oh. Ito kasi yung paniniwala nila mga kaisla eh. Diba? Yung Buddhism. Parang tatlong dragon na may tatlong ulo mga kaisla. Daming hata. So yan mga kaisla, pupunta na po kami doon. Trip pa po lang. Yan, bababa. Tapos sasakay pa kami ng train mga kaisla.
Okay.
Thank you, bye-bye.
See you in Doha.
Doha, bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks.
So yan mga kaisla. Papasok na po tayo sa aeroplano. Iba po kung daanan kasi mga kaisla actually. Pag business class na in economy.
And doon ang
Economy on
economy.
the other side.
Doon economy. And this is the...
The business class side. Napilitan tayo pag business class mga kaisla kasi hindi tayo makasakay.
Thank you.
May mga kaisla. Papasok.
Thank you so much. It's going to be the photo on this side, please. You have an
How
aisle
about
seat.
this one?
Right. You're sitting together, so you can be on that side.
Okay,
Yes. Okay. Do you like to interact?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please. I'll close it later on once.
There you go. No problem. No. Kasi let me offer you a bump. Yes. How's your stay?
It's fine.
You will be here. I think so.
4G.
Yeah.
I just put like things.
It's okay. I'll be back shortly. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So yan mga kaisla, nasa loob na po kami ng aeroplano. Q, anong tawag dito?
Q-Suite.
Q-Suite po yung nasakyan namin ngayon mga kaisla.
Do you like to have anything? Yes.
Wala.
Nothing from
Yeah, yeah.
And let's have the love like this.
Okay.
And for the lounge level, this is okay.
Yeah, thank you. So yan mga kaisla, ito po yung jacket nila. So, important. And actually, this is the menu. Do you have the menu here mga kaisla? Let's check if what we have now. So yan, ang dami pong pagkain mga kaisla, di ba? Yan o. Kahit alak, mayroon po mga kaisla. Then the other one, what we have here, different kind of wine. Kung ano pong gusto nyo mga kaisla. And then po here, so yan mga kaisla sa cubicle. Sa Q-Suite cubicle. Yan mga kaisla. So 4G. That's my assigned chair 4G. So ito po, tingnan natin mga kaisla na mayroon dito. So meron po silang mga kaisla. You know what is inside this one? Lotion, pabango. Buksan natin mga kaisla kung ano po yung nila. Practical si nagdala ni atin dito. Kaya alam ko na mostly kung anong laman. Let's check it. Yan. Here. Ito po mga kaislang laman. Lotion, lip balm. What's this?
You're getting something. Okay.
This, yeah.
Do you find anything that you like?
Yeah,
Box?
yeah.
I hope so. Yeah. There you go. And fresh coconut and lime water.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So what else do they have?
And then they have here the small perfume. It's a small perfume here.
May iwan dito kuha na kita ng...
Yan o, mga kaislang.
Mas yan sabi na.
Let's check mga kaislang ko. Meron dito meron silang live mga kaislang ko. Kung gusto ko magbasa, yan, on mo lang siya. Yan. Yan, off. Then, meron na silang binigay na pang tulog. Yes. Here. Yung mga sign po, yung mga kaisla. And this one for the table, for the food.
However, we may experience some light turbulence during the flight. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt button at all the time, even with the seatbelt
For the
sign.
table, for the
Before
food.
we begin our descent to the hull, I'll update you with the latest weather and travel information.
Yan mga
Until then,
kaisla.
please make yourself
Nandun
comfortable
po
and
si Ate
secure.
sa kabilang
Our
side.
flight
Yan.
service.
Pero
We
kung
feel
gusto
very
mo
blessed
po,
to join board for
kung
the
gusto,
hours. Thank you very much.
how to close it in the middle. Kung gusto mo privacy, ayaw mo makitang kaano mo makaisla. Pero say, paano mo i-close? Yung ito. Ayan. Yan mga kaisla. So, yan. I-down mo lang kung i-down mo lang siya mga kaisla. Yan. I-down mo lang. Then put it down lang mga kaisla kung kilala mo yung nasa kabila. Yan. Po. para may table siya dito mga ka-Islam. It's good. Nice. So far, dito may mga chargers sila. Wala pa silang Type-C for charging, no? Wala pa. Ito pa rin bago. 3 pins pwede. But yung Type-C, no? Wala pa. This is for the headset. Mga ka-Isla. Yan o. May space pa sa ilalim to. So, ikaka dyan. Ang dami pa naman sa'yo.
Gift and absolutely for your meeting. Perhaps I'd like to join us with the Thai Sat Puna Sukata as advertiser.
Ayan. Safety na.
This is our really sample pudding. You guys.
It's Russian.
Or perhaps we do have a fresh selection of fresh foods so you can mix and match to suit your planning.
Yes, fresh orange.
The fresh orange juice, yeah.
Seasonal fresh fruits.
Very fresh ones as well. She's all for the bread selection, we'll be offering the trio bread selection with the onion bun, monica bread, as well as the sourdough bread. Would you like to have some olive oil to the side as well? We do have the café motel here. We have the signature balsamic vinegar, we have our signature spicy lemon, extra virgin olive oil, and tomato and chili. Tomato and chili.
Yeah.
And for the breakfast selection later, sir, would you like to join us with the jam selection? We have the strawberry jam, orange marmalade, and pure honey.
Together.
And for the dinner selection, late night dining, you would like to join us after takeout, sir, yeah?
Yeah.
Just to rephrase the preferences that you would like to have, you would like to have the soup of the day, which is the Thai style cream soup, as well as the beef tenderloin, yeah? And after the beef tenderloin, you would like to reserve for the breakfast for fillings with a fresh glass of orange juice, continuing with the fresh fruits, as well as the cheese salad. Get it correctly. And you would like to have the tomato and chili for to go with the dinner selection and strawberry jam for the breakfast.
Yeah.
Would you like me to wake you up for about 2 to 3 hours before we have a descent so that you can visit this?
Yeah, sure.
And would you prefer vending services as well?
For the cold food, can I have the mango juice?
Mango juice?
Yeah.
Absolutely. For the dinner selection, then we start with also mango juice. Absolutely.
And for the ice cream, can I have a lemon?
Would you like to have the lemon and milk iced tea? So lemon and milk iced tea will be paired with the food selection, am I correct?
Oh yeah.
Yes, and then we start with after take off mango juice, yeah? Thank you so much, sir.
So yan. Basta nakapag-order na po ako ng food for the whole flight. So tingnan na lang natin mga kung ano yung pagkain na yung in-order ko, napanda ko sa inyo. So that's it for now mga kaisla. So ito mga kaisla, ito po yung fruits na in-order ko at saka yan po yung bread. Tingnan nyo yung bread mga kaisla. Mayroon din silang cheese, mayroon din silang berry juice. Yan po mga kaisla. Doon po si Arnelo sa kabila. Yan po. As a starter po yan mga. So yan mga kaisla. This is the dessert of the bread and juice. Water. Then may chocolate siya mga tomates. So it's for dessert. Sa breakfast po. Guys, nasukan tayo. Yan. May order kami din. So yan mga kaisla, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pagkakain. Kunyan mga kaisla. Sarap po, di ba? Parang nasa fine dine-in po kayo mga kaisla, no? Sa isang restaurant na talaga may tablecloth pa. Hindi po plastic yung ginagamit nila mga kaisla, di ba? Habang nanonood po kayo ng movie, di ba? Cartoon lang din naman ang pinapanood mga kaisla. Yan po. So, may isa-serve din sila mga kaisla, kaso lang isa yung first na in-order ko na steak, hindi na po nila na-serve mga kaisla kasi nakatulog po ako mga kaisla. Kaya yung breakfast na lang po na-serve nila kasi hindi na nila ako nagising kasi is totally tulog na ako mga kaisla. At yan po mga kaisla, nandito na po kami sa Doha. Yan po ang arrival po ng mga kaisla. So, sa haba ng flight namin mga kaisla, it's more than 5 hours na flight mga kaisla. Talagang nakatulog ako kagad mga kaisla. Ito nung kinuha yung menu ko kanina, nakatulog na ako at hindi na po nila na-serve yung dinner ko mga kaisla. Dahil sa antok na po dahil madaling araw po. Yan po. At before naman ng pagdating namin mga kaisla, yan po, ginising po ako para sa breakfast naman mga kaisla. So yan mga kaisla, nandito na po kami sa Doha. Yan po, yung arrival po ng Doha mga kaisla. Yun po yung plane na sinakyan namin mga kaisla. O yun po. Yun. Sana po mga kaisla, sa video ito is nagustuhan nyo po ang vlog na to mga kaisla. And don't forget to like and subscribe po mga kaisla. And always God bless and take care. Bye-bye.